Hi, I'm Mitch Jones with MicroE Systems. We're based in the Boston area in Massachusetts. We make linear and rotary optical encoders that are used in applications for semiconductor, front-end, back-end, metrology, medical equipment, and precision motion control. The products range in resolution from 5 microns down to 1.2 nanometers. There are a total of 33 different models depending on what the customer requires. There are atmospheric and vacuum models. There are screw mount and PC board mount. The scales can be either linear metal tape scales that mount with an adhesive backing, or glass scales for high accuracy, and then rotary scales as well. So the outputs vary depending on the model in the resolution and with respect to whether it's a digital output or analog 1 volt peak-to-peak type of output. Some of the models have all the electronics in the sensor, like the Mercury 2 series you see at the top has models that have programmable features all in the sensor. Some of them are just analog output, and this one has a digital output down to half a micron. So this shows the range of different sensor sizes. This one has the interpolation up to ×40 built into the sensor. This is very popular for use with small diameter rotary applications because of its low mass and small sensor size. And then this one has also ×40 interpolation built in with digital output. You see here an example mounted on a bearing with a cut-to-length metal tape scale and a stick-on optical index. And then this demo shows that the same sensor can work with either tape or glass scales. Some of the features of MicroE systems are a very compact sensor, a low Z height, thanks to the optical system. There's also broad alignment tolerances. You see here that the signal is in green, but for purposes of our demo, I've actually left the mounting screws loose, so you can wiggle the sensor around and still have a green signal. So that's a feature of the optical system with the MicroE encoders. In addition to those type of screw mount, there's also PC board mount, either through-hole or BGA. And these are ideal for high-volume applications, particularly where the customer has a printed circuit board already in the system. They can simply incorporate one more component and achieve some very significant cost savings. This usually applies where the volumes are 500 per year or more. But those are very popular, and those also have all the electronics in the sensor. So thank you for listening, MicroE Systems.